Alright guys, we have a new pickup. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy David, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the newest pickup, the Jacoje Link 1.2 22-inch yellow gold 14 karat Italian made Jacoje Link. I'm gonna also be talking about a little bit of the history as to why Italy has the reputation of producing some of the best fine jewelry, and we're going to be going over a closer look of the Jacoje Link that I picked up, some details and some specs and my opinion on this chain. If that's interesting to you, make sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this one, and without further ado, let's get this party started. So before we get started on the review of the Jacoje Link, I just wanted to give you a couple of fun facts about gold. Gold has a chemical composition that makes it the most corrosion resistant metal. That means that it is least affected by the elements such as moisture, water, and dirt. In comparison to something like silver, the oxidation process for silver happens much faster and much sooner. Its relationship with Italy is basically this. The way that we look at New York as the fashion capital, at least one of the fashion capitals of the world, is because there is a conglomeration of ideas, of beliefs, of backgrounds coming together to form a piece of clothing or attire. Back in the day, Rome was a superpower that had influence, that called all people from different parts of the world to work, and one of the subsections was goldsmiths, creating fine jewelry for the authority figures of that time that represented power and represented wealth and represented their dominion over the world. Until this day, Italy has preserved its craftsmanship, its pride in the ability to create beautiful pieces of jewelry. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the Jacoje review. So now onto the review of the Jacoje Link. So we finally got a blue box, and I wanted to thank my girlfriend. She gave me this for our 3rd year anniversary, so I was very excited to receive it, and I'm very thankful. So here is what I got, the icy blue box, and we also have the authenticity certificate. It's a Jacoje Link 1.2 22 inches in 14 karat gold, 4.7 grams in weight. And I have to admit that once I opened it out of the box, it did seem very light and very dainty. I did know that coming in. I just wanted to see how it would pair with white gold, how it would pair with a pendant, and that's what I'm going to show you guys here today. So here it is with a pendant at 22 inches, a pendant that is a standard size. It brings the chain down, and in terms of the chain, I think it is intended to be worn with a pendant. Alone, the chain alone does not have, it will get caught in your shirt. It'll kind of not be able to do its job. Its job, I believe, is to carry pendants, and I think it does that very well. At a distance, it just looks like a thin line of gold, but it's definitely visible. The reason it's definitely visible is because it is a diamond cut Jacoje Link. There are 6 sides to each interlocking link, and it is diamond cut. And basically, diamond cut is called diamond cut because of the process of how they give a diamond angled faces. When they do that, the way that the sun hits it gives it a twinkle, a shine. With another chain layered up. Alone, like I said, it does not stand very well, but with a pendant, it does the job of carrying the pendant, of making the pendant the star of the show. Here is a comparison of the 20-inch with the 22-inch, just so you can see the difference. The 3mm with the 1.2. I do recommend that with the 1.2mm, you go mini, size mini, because it does the job well. I just believe that the bezel is way too big for the chain that's here, and I think that the mini is just the right size for a chain this way. In terms of durability, like I said, gold has the highest corrosion resistance of all the metals, making it stand the test of time. In terms of the interlocking links, they are very small and they're very tight together, so there is that sense of strength. I've ran with this, I slept with it, I've showered with it. It still shines like the day I bought it. Water won't affect it, dirt and oxygen won't affect it as fast as all the other metals, so you're definitely getting durability there. If you wanted to go a size up, size 2mm, I think you definitely could, but I do suggest for a starter chain to get a 1.2 Jacoje Link. It does the job, and like I said, the diamond cut does give it a presence. It's not, a thick chain, but then once you pair it and you see these on neck side views, you're gonna start to see that if you're wearing it with another chain, that it's gonna present itself there. The only thing that I dislike is the eyelet. The lobster clasp is secure, it's just this eyelet here. To get the lobster clasp in here is very difficult at first. After a while you'll get used to it, but at first I was having a lot of trouble because this was very, very small. So I hope I was able to help you with a visual of what a 1.2 Jacoje link looks like in 22 inches. But one of the things that I was concerned about in regards to the Jacoje link, which I'm very happy is not the case, is that because it is a link chain, I thought that it would roll with a pendant. I thought it would roll over like link chains do. I don't like that. I don't like that look when you have a Miami Cuban link and you have a pendant and then it's all rolled up. Because it's not a round chain. This is meant for pendants. It is a round. Although the links are interlocking, once you have a pendant and there's some weight holding it down, it does give you a uniform look. And like I said, at a distance, it does have a Franco look. Here we have it. It does shine, especially with a darker shirt, or if you're wearing something light, like a white shirt, or you're wearing something a little bit lighter, the diamond cut will still allow that to shine, and it still presents itself as a metal and beautiful piece. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I want to appreciate you guys because I already made it to my first 100 subscribers. That's a big milestone for me, and I'm very excited. I'm very happy for you guys liking my content and subscribing to the channel, and I hope to provide more informative reviews. Without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and have a blessed day.